Student, I think you have done the previous chapters. Now today I am going to explain exercise 1.4. The first question is, without actually performing the long division, state whether the following rational numbers will have a terminating decimal expansions or a non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Already in class 9 you have learned the what is called the terminating decimal, which is the non-terminating or repeating decimal. Now here the theorem is, if the q, already this theorem I have explained is the previous part, q is the factor of 2 or 5 or both 2 and 5, then that rational number is a terminating decimal, or if not, then it is non-terminating. Again I am repeating the, if q is the factor of only 2 or only 5 or both 2 and 5, then it is terminating decimal. Now check it. Q is 3125. Now factorize this. It is only the factors of 5. So 13 upon 5 to the power 5, that is 13 into 2 to the power 5 upon 5 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5. Actually we have multiplied it 2 to the power 5, both numerator and denominator. Now it is multiplied this, it is 416 upon 10 to the power 5. It is terminating, the power is 5. That means terminate after 5 digit of decimal. So 5 digit of decimal, it will terminate. So it is a terminating decimal. Q is equal to 5 to the power 5 and terminated after 5 decimal places. That is, actually I have solved is question number 1 and question number 2 together compile here as given in the book. You can check it from the book. Question number 2, 17 upon 8. 17 2 to the power 3. 8 is 2 to the power 3. So it is, if you multiply it 5 to the power 3 both with numerator and denominator, it is 2125 upon 10 to the power 3. So power 3, it will terminate after 3 digit. 64 upon 455. It is 5 into 7 into 13, 455. I have solved here. So here is not a terminating decimal. You can see that q is not equal to 2 to the power m and n 5 to the power n, not in the form. So it is not a terminating decimal. 15 upon 1600. Now 1600 is factor is 2 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 2. Is a terminating decimal because it is 2 and 5, 2 to the power m and 5 to the power n. Since q is equal to 2 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 2, which is of the form 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. So 15 upon this. Now it is 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 6. That means after 6 digit, it will terminate. So it is terminated after 6 decimal places. 29 upon 343. Not a terminating decimal, because when you factorize 343, it is not, q is not equal to 2 to the power m and q to the power 5 to the power n. Since q is not equal to this, so it is not a terminating decimal. Next 23 upon 2 to the power 3, 5 to the power 2. It is terminating decimal. We can see that q is in the form of 2 to the power n into 5 to the power n. So it is 10 to the power 3. After 3 decimal place, it will terminate. So okay. Next is 129 upon 2 square, 5 to the power 7, 7 to the power 5. Since it is 7 is here rather than 5 and 2, so it is a not terminating decimal since q is not in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. Next, 6 upon 15. You have to simplify this first. It is 2 upon 5. 5 is the q is 5. So it is terminating decimal. And terminated in this way. So it is 5 to the 10. It is after one digit. Power is 1. So it is after one digit. It will terminate. 35 upon 50. Again simplify 7 upon 10. So 10 it is here. 5 to the 10. Q is equal to 2 into 5. So terminating, and after one decimal it will terminate. 77 upon 210. Cancel it. It is 11 upon 30. Simplify. Now it is 30 is 3 into 2 into 5. So not terminating decimal, as is q is not equal to 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. Question number 3. Actually question number 1 and 2 together I have solved here, that has given in question book. Question number 3. The following real numbers have decimal expansions as given below. In each case, decimal decide whether they are rational or not. If they are rational and of the form p upon q, what can you say about the prime factors of q? Now 43 and these, the division completed here. So it is a rational number of the form p upon q, and q is form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. So it is a rational number. This one 0, 0.120, 1200, 12003, already in class 9 you learned that this type of number, it is not a rational number because it is non-recurring and non-terminating. It is continue, it will go. So it is non-recurring and non-terminating decimal. So q is not in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. But this question, third one, 43 point, this it is recurring here. Bar is here. So it is a rational number having the recurring and non-terminating decimal expansion. It's a recurring decimal, but it is non-terminating. Here q is not of the form 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. Now this exercise also finished, and the same time the chapter also finished. Here chapter based exercise 1.2, 1.3 and 1.4 assignment I have given in this. Here answer also given here. You will solve it in your fair copy.